Part 1. New words.
Comfortable. A comfortable chair. Comfortable shoes. A noise. Make a loud noise. A noisy pet. Soft. Fresh soft bread. A soft teddy bear. Rich. A rich house. Rich people. Poor. A poor old lady. Poor service. To sleep. To sleep 8 hours. A sleepy child.
Part 2. Grammar 1. So. This chair is so comfortable. The color of this chair is so beautiful. It is so expensive. We can't buy it.
The people in this country are so poor. These trousers are so long. Are you sure you want to buy them? There is so much noise in the street today. She feels so sleepy. She needs to go to bed now. Their sons are so different. They never play the same games.
Part 3. Grammar 2. So that. He is so rich that he has 5 houses. They were so poor that they had no shoes. They were so happy that they cried.
It was so noisy outside that I had to close the window. The service in the restaurant was so poor that it was always empty. The sweater is so soft that it feels like a cloud. I was so tired that I went to sleep early. These shoes are so comfortable that I wear them every day.
Part 4. Grammar 3. What a soft sweater. What wonderful weather. What nice shoes you have.
What a rich family. They live in a castle. What noise outside. I can't hear the music. What a poor test result. Did you study for that test? What beautiful glasses. They look great on you. What similar bags. I think we bought them in the same shop.
Part 5. Read and choose.
She was so sleepy that she forgot her bag. What comfortable trousers! The weather today is so different from yesterday. What a noisy dog they have!
Part 6. Quiz.
Her dress was very beautiful. I bought the same. Her dress was so beautiful that I bought the same. The tea was very hot. I couldn't drink it. The tea was so hot that I couldn't drink it. The sweater you bought is so soft. What a soft sweater you bought. Their test results were very poor. They took the test again. The test results were so poor that they took the test again.